Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and as you can see, we're back in the kitchen and we are doing an unboxing of an item that I just picked up. As I previously posted in one of my prior videos, just set up the Amazon Alexa for my daughter with the Fire Stick in her room, and she's 7, so as we all know, kids can be a bit destructive when it comes to the remote. So I went ahead and got my hands on this, and probably going to butcher this, but it's Akwox silicone skin for the Amazon Alexa. There's 2 of them in there because I bought myself one too, just because she uses the TV in the living room as well. So let's go, we'll do the unboxing, take a quick look at it, and go from there. So here we go. There is the remote. As you see, I haven't even taken the sticker off of it for her room just yet. And this is the silicone covers that we got for it. So I'm just going to take one out of the bag. It came in because I only need one for right now. And it's kind of nice. It's got a nice little plastic bag, and it's kind of feels premium, if you would. Let's go ahead, we'll pull it out of there. And well, this is very cool. It's actually got a lanyard holder. It actually gives you a space in the bottom of the remote that's not traditionally there to put a lanyard on it with the name of the manufacturer, Akwox. So let's go ahead and let's take a look over this guy here. So as you see, it's got a textured grip here at the bottom. It's got the space that I mentioned earlier for the lanyard placement. We've got a front which lets you put the remote in there and give you full access to all the buttons, including the Alexa and even the voice response. So let's go ahead and put it on and see how it's going to work. So there it is. She is on. She is mounted. Still has a plastic there, so I'm going to be taking that off. But you actually wind up having to slide the remote in and then tucking the silver piece over. But as we can see, it's definitely less slippery, less chance of dropping it, which I think is fantastic when you have a small child using the Alexa. I haven't put on the lanyard, as you can see, but for pace of the video, just wanted to show you what it looked like with it. So let's look over that. It's nice. It's actually a good, comfortable grip. Very, very good, comfortable grip on there. I dig it. So it should be good for the 6-year-old. So there you go, guys. There is the unboxing and now review of the Akwox silicone rubber cover skin for the Amazon Alexa Generation 2 remote for the Fire Stick. I think it's great. I think it's a great investment if you have a small kid. I bought 2 of them. I'm going to be using one in my living room as well because she does use it, so does my wife. And we've got small animals, so they tend to knock stuff off the couches. So I think it's a great idea to have one of these. And you get 2 of them for $7.99. You can't beat that, $4 a piece. It's a definite investment in my opinion. As always, guys, if you enjoy the videos, please feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any ideas for videos. And as always, have a great night. Thanks for watching.